In this video, I'm going to explain how to use if statements in Python. Now to start, I'm going to create a variable. X is equal to 5. As you can see, I assigned the integer value 5 to the variable x. Now I'm going to create the if statement. If x is greater than 3, colon, and then when you press enter, the next line should automatically indent. Then, for simplicity's sake, I'll have it print yes. And so now that I've done this, if x is greater than 3, which is, it'll print out yes. So I'm going to go ahead and run the program. As you can see, it does print out yes. Now let's just check to make sure this is actually working. I'm going to make x 1. Now if I save again and run again, now that x is less than 3, it didn't print anything, except for, of course, the finished in how many seconds, which may or may not happen depending on the IDE you're using. So this is how to create a simple if statement in Python. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments.